Welcome to the CapCut video editing tutorial. Today, I'm excited to present another fantastic split-screen tutorial using CapCut. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on upcoming tutorials and more. Let's start the tutorial. First, we need to create an animated green screen video. I added a white color background from the library. I have added a green color solid and adjusted the duration with the white color background. Go to the mask option and add the rectangle mask. Adjust the size and position of the mask. Set mask width value to 1850 and height value to 320. Change the Y position of the mask to 350. Add the second green screen and also add the rectangle mask, same as the first one. Position the second green screen at the center. Change the mask height value to 320. Set the position of the mask to the center. Set mask width value to 1850. Now add the third green screen. Add the rectangle mask. Change the height of the mask to 320. Position it at the bottom and set the Y position value to -350. Change the width of the mask to 1850. Here, I have changed the mask corner to a little bit round shape. I have set the round corner value of the mask to 20. I have applied the same value for all green screens. Now, I will add animation for green screens. Select the middle green screen. At the starting point, add the first keyframe to size. Forward the playhead at 1 second duration and add the second keyframe to size. Move the playhead to the starting point and select the first keyframe. Change the width value to 1. Select the green screen placed at the top. Move the playhead to the starting point and add the keyframe to the size. Forward the playhead to 1 second and 5 frames duration and add the second keyframe to the size. Move the playhead to the starting point and select the first keyframe. Change the width value to 1. Select the green screen placed at the bottom. Move the playhead to the starting point and add the keyframe to the size. Forward the playhead to 1 second and 10 frames duration and add the second keyframe to the size. Move the playhead to the starting point and select the first keyframe. Change the width value to 1. The green screen template is ready. Export the video. Create a new project. I have imported the exported template. Add the template to the timeline. I have imported a video. Add the video to the main video track and adjust the duration. Go to the cutout or remove background section and enable Chroma Key. Use the color picker to select the green color. Increase the strength value until the green color is completely removed. Go to the blend option from the basic section. Reduce the opacity value accordingly. You can also try different opacity values. That's all from this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing tutorials.